Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, last night we cooked a brisket last night, and so we're gonna go ahead and tell you about that. But I'm kind of redoing this, redoing the beginning part of the video. You'll get to see last night, but my brother and I, we were probably about 3-4 sheets to the wind last night, and
Yeah,
and drank a little bit of Crown Royal, a little bit,
just a little bit.
just a little bit. So
Skosh.
that empty bottle over there, man. So we finished off big glory right here. So so but so we had bought a brisket yesterday, and we wanted to do it last night for the game today, the Monday night football game tonight.
Who that?
Who that? Yep, playing them Redskins. But back in March, last year I met this guy in the commissary, him and his wife. His name was Ted, and he had a competition barbecue team called Smokey's Q. Okay, and so he saw my channel. We had talked a little bit in the commissary. He gave me an invite to come out and hang out with him when they do a contest one of these days. I'm gonna have to try to do that, but he gave me some of his brisket rub, and this is his recipe here. The name of this brisket rub is called Shogun's Brisket Rub. It's MSG free. Now, from what I understand, he sent me a message saying that he used this in a barbecue competition a while back, and they scored a perfect 180 on their brisket.
Wow.
So I was really interested in seeing how this tastes, but I hadn't gotten around to using it. I've had this since March, and this is October, so we finally got around to using this. So we're gonna go ahead and this brisket, we cooked the brisket last night. It's been in this here resting for a couple of hours now, and but what I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the funny prep work that we did last night, the original prep work. So I cannot suggest that you handle a knife and trim a brisket in my condition that I was last night.
Yeah.
But
Don't try this at home.
don't try this at home. But hey, look, enjoy the original footage, man, and then we'll come back and then we'll go ahead and do a taste test. It is busy at business. Yeah. Testing. Get a microphone. Testing.
Hold on. You don't put that on there. Don't put that on there.
Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. What's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of a drunken edition of Bad Beast Barbecue. We have been drinking all day long. Some Crown Royal.
Yeah.
Crown Royal.
Yeah.
Plain Crown Royal.
Plain
Vanilla.
mesquite.
And
We tasted the rainbow.
we tasted the rainbow. And check it out. This is my first time doing a whole pack of brisket. So we bought a brisket from Sam's today, and we're gonna try to get this bad boy on tonight around midnight. What time is it right now? Is it midnight? 10 o'clock? 11? 12?
Yeah. It's
What?
midnight.
Yeah, whatever, man. Yeah. Anytime my brother come down, man, he's such a bad influence, man. He make me drink so much, man. So yeah.
It's a damn. Anyways.
All right, guys. So what we have here is a pack of brisket, and we're gonna go ahead and try to trim this out without me cutting all my hands up and going on. So we'll get some of this hard fat off of here. So this is the first time we've done any type of whole brisket. I've done flats in the past, but this time we're gonna do a whole brisket, and I'm just gonna try to get some of this hard fat off of here without trying to cut my hands up, because like I said, I'm a little loopy, maybe a little loopy.
Yeah.
My brother said I'm all right, so I guess I'm all right. So, but we ain't got nothing to put this fat in. All right, I'll stick it right there. All right, so the wives are off camera videotaping just in case something happens. So, in case we wind up going to the hospital, me.
No, you.
Me.
Yeah. We need some evidence.
They need evidence for the insurance
Yeah.
salesman and shit. So this shit got a lot of hard fat. I could wipe my face, but it's probably the Crown Royal coming out my pores. You know, Rita, you sitting on the sidelines talking about, I ain't worried about her.
scared. Don't get scared. Ooh, but take off. Had to catch her at the top of the stage. Is somebody shooting?
What you doing with that big ass paper plate?
Don't worry about all that. You just do what you doing. Don't worry about what I'm doing. See, that's how shit get happen. That's how shit happen.
And I should have.
You worry about what's over here. Don't worry about what's over here. Shit. Support.
Why y'all laughing?
Support. I think that shit.
You know, y'all know all this gonna be on video, right? When I edit this shit, I'm gonna put all this in here.
Don't put all that in there.
No, that's, you know, I can't put that in there.
Yeah, I'm saying don't put all that in there.
Watch out, because this knife might pop out and it could cut you.
You cut me, man.
Put the mask on.
Gonna be here for a couple of days. That's all.
He said about
He just $30.
Shit, all that shit, you gonna have enough for a sandwich after that, motherfucker. Been cutting all the fat off that son, bitch. Shit.
You know, I took you in when you came here. When you came here Thursday.
You had like a straight dog or something.
I know. Come on, read when I took you in.
We took you in. And shit, man.
I'm an orphan.
I don't know.
I took you in.
Did our favor,
The orphan breeder.
right?
Derek, take it back to your, you all off the camera. There you go.
My wife said I'm all off the camera.
It's the stage
Took
left.
took in, It's not
At
appreciated.
least somebody.
Wasn't even appreciating this shit, man. That's what she gonna talk about.
Somebody want me.
And then she gonna have a piece of brisket in her mouth talking about, oh, sure ain't good.
So it's good.
You still drinking Texas whiskey?
Hey, leave me alone. Don't do me.
Oh,
Just cause you had a rough time.
I had a rough time with it.
You ain't had no good time either though. You mad.
Why you not doing that?
I don't know, it's just for effect.
I feel like I went to WWE.
Body slamming.
Oh, the body slamming. Damn. See, everybody get down to count 3.
Wait, I thought you was my brother, man. I thought you was supposed to be.
I'm always gonna be your brother.
I thought you was with me,
I
man.
ain't gonna never lie to you.
Give me a hard time.
If I ain't with you, I'm against you.
No,
If
see.
I'm against you,
Hey,
I'm
hold
with
that.
you. That's what my big ass plate for. And you talking about why you got that big ass plate? Right there.
Never try to cook a brisket in combination with Crown Royal.
Well, why?
Cutting it up to death.
I'm having the time of my life.
Now, this comes out after I'm tipsy and shit all from drinking all day long. My brother is the cause of it, so.
Yep. I'll take that blame.
Blame it on the text.
I'll take that blame. But if it don't taste right, that's because you ain't drinking enough.
Is that what it is?
That's what it is.
Hold that. Hold that too.
Got more meat on this plate than you ever.
Man, why you talking about me like that?
Huh? Ain't nobody heard me but you.
All right, that's good.
You got a lot of fat on this side.
Need some fat.
Well, I'm gonna need some
Gonna
fat. I'm gonna need some fat. I can't cut it lean because it'll dry out.
You got to rest with that cow.
Bam.
Hold that.
Put the knife down.
Put the knife.
Put the knife down.
It's 10:47, y'all.
Still early. We got 4 more hours of drinking. You got a bit slower when I said that.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to crushing spirits.
All right, man. So that's all we got left.
That'll work.
Yeah. That shit all over the counter, man.
That's you.
Sure do.
What you doing?
So nasty.
What are you doing? You're all over the place.
All right, now we gonna need a.
The rest of
I done rinsed it off already. We're gonna need a tray, a baking sheet,
Okay.
a baking sheet.
Do I need to go get that and get rid
I
of this?
get it, Gerard.
The wife said she gonna go get it.
Oh, that's so nice. I love my son-in-law.
All right. Are we still recording? Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Why am I sweating so much? It's hot in here.
No, it ain't hot here. No, it's pretty cool down here. If I'm not sweating, it's not hot, bro.
Coming from the man with fat all on his arm and shit.
Yeah, but crying in my glass, though. That's all.
One suggestion: don't try to do brisket while you kind of lit, drunk, lightheaded, or whatever you want to call
That's the
it.
best way to do it.
That's the best. He says the best way to do it.
Anything.
Anything. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and liberally season this. It's got some nice big pieces of seasoning in there.
Exactly.
That's nice.
That's why I picked it.
That's why you picked it?
Yes, sir. You say you wanted a bark on it. We're going to have a bark on it.
Well, we'll see how the bark comes out, so. I smell some onion, garlic,
Pepper.
pepper.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of the basics. I like that. Uh-oh. There it is.
Yep.
That's like, that's how you know it's good. That pepper all up in there.
I don't know if I see you can put that on the video.
Oh, why not?
Why not?
They going to do it if they use it.
It's the crown talking, guys. Don't worry about it. You know.
Your crown talking. Mine ain't saying nothing.
Your crown talking too. You just ain't listening.
I never do. Yeah, that look good.
All right, guys. So we got this bad boy all seasoned up. And we are going to get our Tec 680 up to 225 degrees. We're going to smoke it with the extreme smoke function on. And then we're going to smoke this bad boy to a temperature about 160 to 170 degrees. And I'm going to wrap it in some butcher paper. So, hey, come on out with us out to the deck and watch us throw this bad boy on. Because it's a Bad Beast Barbecue night cook, huh? Right?
Sure you're right.
So you're right. Okay, all right. We'll see you out on the deck. All right.
Grab the crown.
You can cut. All right, so we got the 680, rocking and rolling. All right, got our brisket on. Can you get me? All right, so we got our brisket on the 680 tonight. It's 10:30 p.m. and we're gonna put a thermometer in it a little bit in about an hour or so. Try to get it cook up to about 160 to 170 degrees, and then we're going to wrap it in butcher paper. Okay, so don't go nowhere. Hang around and watch us try to get through this brisket and this Crown Royal. Okay, so hey, hang around.
You rocking.
So all right, guys. So you saw the footage, and hopefully, you guys enjoyed that. I know we was a little drunk, but you might have heard the wives in here laughing at us and going on too, man. So we were slinging meat everywhere, and it was crazy. I had to come in here and clean up the bar this morning with a bunch of Clorox and stuff. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try this brisket out.
That was good.
Does look good. All right, so good thing that cutting board got Now the one thing I forgot to do last night was to figure out where the grain was, because I normally cut a starting cut. That way I know I'm cutting against the grain. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to kind of like play it by ear here. So. Slice it nice. Ooh, look at that smoke ring, brother.
Oh yeah, that's
That smoke ring on there. Y'all can see that smoke ring right there. Man, that smoke ring is nice right there. All right, so get a few more slices here. Now this looks like I'm cutting with the grain here. So, but we'll find out in a minute when we get a taste test, all right? All right, man, so you can grab your own piece or you want me to, I got gloves on. So.
yeah.
I don't know how hot it is. They got a little thing of fat at the bottom of it. All right. All right, see. I love the way that rub smells, man. That rub smells fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm cutting with the grain.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cut the other way. All right. See.
It's good though.
Oh, I love that rub.
Yeah.
And that fat rendered to the point where you can eat the fat, man. We're talking about good. Got smoky flavor. Man, that's good. That's real good.
That rub excellent, man.
Oh, that rub is excellent. Ted, man, that rub is off the chain, man. I'm loving that rub. I can see why you scored a 180 on that bad boy, man. Let me try to swing this around and see if I can cut the other way and see if that's gonna make a difference grain-wise. But it's gonna be good this afternoon, man, while we watching football. So
And drink a crown.
and drinking some more crowns.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Well, look at that smoke ring on that mug.
Oh yeah.
Man. All right. But then cutting the other way a little bit more
Toughen
tender.
up,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I'll go back and cut the other way. I usually cook brisket flats, but this is very good and that rub is outstanding. I don't know if Ted's gonna be selling this rub or not, but I'll put a link to his Facebook page, his competition team's Facebook page down here on the screen and the description block, so you can always contact him and see if he's willing to sell you some of this rub. But man, this is like gold here, man. This is nice. Love it, Ted. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. This is definitely gonna come in handy. I might just hold this out, get some more from it for next Memorial Day when we have the big family bash. So,
Yeah.
so anyway, but. And once again, if you guys interested in a Rectech smoker, Rectech doesn't sell the 680 anymore. However, they have a whole line of new stainless steel smokers that you can check out. So check out the guys at rectechgrills.com. Great customer service and great products. So, well, that's it, man.
That's it.
All right. So, hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there.
And a blooper reel.
Hey, blooper reel.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoyed the blooper reel, guys. Hey, and as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.
Peace.